It's day two, and I'm excited that there has been a lot of learning going on since day one. And our facilitators are amazing. I must extend my gratitude for them to take time to just come and help us explore our leadership, understand our leadership styles, and then connect our leadership even to purpose. Because beyond leaders, we are not just leading for ourselves, but we have real lives, real people behind us. And so we interact within the ecosystem in so many various ways. And what has stood out for me is self awareness and how our inability to be self aware can directly impact how others experience us. One of the questions that stood out for us even prior was, how do you think your team experiences you? And this went a long way into affecting our reflections because it got us then thinking. So I experience everyone else, but how does everyone else experience me as a leader, as one who is steering the ship? My key takeaways are going to be shifting the narrative, accepting to change, and acknowledging that leadership is not a one shoe fits all, but to enter into the habit of critically thinking about the decisions that I make, adapting to the habit of well being. Well, so for today, we did delve into well being, and it just opened up another kind of worms that we have been ignoring as individuals and as a team. But now we get into the practice of how do I ensure well being, first for me and for those that are around me. And that is one of my key takeaways from this. And I hope that for every team out there, you can take time off to just learn and revisit some of the things that might be impeding productivity and enthusiasm within the team. Thank you.